Are you ready to transform your workflow? Discover how Gemini.ai can enhance your Google Workspace experience, streamlining tasks and boosting collaboration. In this video, we will dive into practical tips and tricks to leverage AI for smarter document management, effortless scheduling, and automated responses. Don't miss out on the future of productivity. Watch now and elevate your workspace game. So hey everyone, and welcome back in another video where I will show you how to use Gemini AI with Google Workspace. The first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into gemini.google.com, and this is the homepage as you can see. So the first step that you have to do is just dive into gemini.google.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So Gemini.ai is an advanced artificial intelligence tool that's designed to enhance productivity and streamline workflows within Google Workspace. By integrating Gemini.ai with Google Workspace, users can leverage AI capabilities to automate repetitive tasks, generate content, analyze data, and facilitate collaboration. This powerful combination allows for more efficient document creation, smarter email management, and improved organization, ultimately helping teams work faster and more effectively. So right now you have just to click over chat with Gemini and you'll find a page which is this one. You have here the team's privacy, your data and Gemini application. You have here more, and we have here what data is collected and how it's used. Then we have here how human reviewers improve Google AI, and also we have here how Gemini application activity works with other services and settings. Then we have also here additional data handling as your device assistant. We have Gemini get help from Google Assistant. We have speaking to Gemini. We have supplemental features and things to know. Then we have teams of services as you can see. Then you have just to read all these things and you click over use Gemini and you get started with this one. So all I have to do right now is to integrate Gemini with Google Drive for seamless document management and synthetic your Google Calendar to keep track of appointments and deadlines. You can also manage emails through Gmail and create tasks and synthetics with Google Tasks. Finally, explore automation features and training resources to optimize your workflow. So let's get started. You have just to click over use Gemini and you get started with this one, right? And let's get started. Right now we have here a various things that we have to do in Gemini platform. Here we have it. You have just to click over settings here and you click over extensions. Here we have various things like Gemini extensions help you bring it all together. As you can see, we have the magic of Gemini comes to your stuff. To Gemini extension, I want to cover Gemini extensions. Gemini extensions help you bring it all together. And if we scroll down, we'll find here the option of Google Workspace, Google Flights, Google Hotels, Google Maps, YouTube, and YouTube Music. About the first one, we have here Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Docs, Google Drive, Google Keep, and Google Task. You can just find, summarize, and get quick information from your content in Gmail and Docs, Drive, and more. Then we have here Google Maps. As you can see, tap into location-based information to bring your plans to life. How long does it take to walk you from Buckingham Palace to Big Ben in London? What about from Big Ben to Trafalgar and Square? Then we have YouTube. Find videos of how to quickly get grape juice out of a wool rack, right? So right now I will show you how you can do that. You can just come back and you click over new chat and you have just to click over here and you select, for example, here Gmail, and I will write, for example, I will just write in read emails, and I will click over enter, and let's just find it where is read emails. As you can see, we have the read emails. As you can see, we have here 20 read emails. We have productivity and learnings, 3 emails from Calendly, security here, social media and growth, finance and business, and we have also other things. All right, so let's just right now selecting other things. For example, I will select here YouTube, and I will select here best videos ever, and I will click over enter, for example. And here are some of the most popular videos on YouTube. Here we have it. And right now let's just give another example. For example, Google Map. I will just select Google Maps right now, and I will just search, for example, about here location coffee. As you can see, location coffee. As you can see, then I will click over enter here. Here are some cafes in Marrakesh, as you can see. Also, you can just select especially which city. For example, I will just select here if it's YouTube or Google Maps right now again, and I will select, for example, here McDonald's on in New York, for example, in New York. As you can see here, we have it, and also we have location here. And right now let's just give another example for YouTube, for example, and I will just write bad videos that get more dislikes, and more dislikes. That's enough, and they will find the response here, as you can see. And right now let's just asking something. For example, I will select here Google Docs, and I will just write folders, as you can see. So we have here, you couldn't find it in folders in Google Docs. All right, so this is how it works with this one. You can just select the one you want. For example, you have here Google Flights, Google Hotels, YouTube Music, YouTube, Google Maps, Google Drive. Then we have Google Docs, Gmail, Google Tasks, Google Keep, and Google Calendar. Then you get started with this one. So integrating Gemini with Google Workspace can significantly enhance your productivity by streamlining document management, calendar synchronization, and task organization. By leveraging these tools together, you can create a more efficient workflow, improve collaboration, and automate routine tasks. Embracing this integration will help you maximize your use of both platforms, ultimately leading to better time management and enhanced project outcomes. So this is how it works with this platform. You can just get started. We have also here the option of upload image if you want, and you click over got it, and then you have just also choose your microphone, and here you have some microphone. Then you have here the option if you want to listen, and if you want to generate also, and if you want to try Gemini Advanced as well. Also, we have here other things like Google Apps. Then we have here my account, and we have here on the left if you want new chat, Gym Manager, help. If you want to help, if you want to activity, and we have here settings as well. For example, dark theme, the public links, and extension. Then about activity, we have here other things as you can see. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. And see you again in the next video.